So guys, this is how to fix FC Mobile not loading problem. So if you're facing this problem, what you have to do is to just scroll to your phone menu. Then after that, you have to search for your phone settings. So just scroll and let's search for our phone settings. So when you find your phone settings, just tap on it to open it. Then after that, scroll and tap on apps and notifications. Then after that, tap on the See Your Apps over here. So after tapping on See Your Apps, what you have to do is to tap over here on the search bar. Then you have to search in for your FC Mobile. So in this video, I will use this demo app to illustrate or to show you the step to fix the problem on your FC Mobile. So you just have to tap on the FC Mobile like this. Then after that, tap on the force stop. Tap on OK on the FC Mobile. Then after that, what you have to do is to tap on notifications. Make sure the show notification is turned on like this. Then after that, go back and tap on permissions. So when you tap on tap on storage and cache. Then when you get over here, tap on the clear cache to clear the cache. Now go back and tap on permissions. So make sure all the permissions in the FC Mobile is allowed. So after allowing every permission, now tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi and make sure the background data is turned on like this. So after doing all this, what you have to do lastly is to restart your device. But before you restart your device, go to Google Play Store and try to search for FC Mobile and check the update. If they've written update over here, just tap on it to get the latest update. And after that, tap on this power button. Then you tap on restart or reboot. It depends on the device you are using. So after rebooting and restarting your device, this problem is going to get fixed. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in my next video.